How to add a light leak effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where your clips are already placed on the timeline. Next, import a light leak overlay. You can find free or paid light leak videos online. Make sure they have a black background and are in MP4 or MOV format. Drag the light leak video onto a video track above your main clip. Then, select the light leak clip on the timeline, go to the inspector and scroll down to the composite section. Change the composite mode from normal to screen or add. This removes the black background and blends the light leak effect with your main video. After that, adjust the opacity or blend level if the effect looks too strong. You can also trim or move the light leak clip to match it with a specific transition or movements in your video. If you want to take it a step further, go into the color page and add some color grading to your light leak layer. You can make it warmer, more saturated, or even keyframe it to change over time for a dynamic look. Lastly, don't forget to render a video and preview the effect to make sure everything flows smoothly. Light leaks work best when used softly. They should enhance, not distract. And that's it. Now you know how to add a light leak effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.